Alright folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous looking 2008 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor street appearance package. This was a metro unit from the city of Los Angeles, California car, no rust. Once again, this was a metro unit assigned to one officer as a take-home car. Vehicle does have 123,000 miles with only 172 idle hours. Original North Sea blue from factory. Vehicle does have some scratches and some door dings. I'll go ahead and point this out to you. The scratches are light, but the door dings, you can see them. All right, folks, here we go. Starting on the driver's side, left fender. You can see door ding right there. You can see one right there. There's another one somewhere down here. Little scuff mark. Door ding right here. There's gonna be some other door dings here somewhere. There. Oh, there you go. One right there. Folks, I'm sorry, but I gotta point everything out to you. That way you can't say I didn't tell you. There you go. Can you see those guys? There you go. Door dings, there appear to be on the driver's side of the vehicle only. Passenger side is clear. Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and step back. Once again, North Sea blue from factory. Vehicle does have a few door dings, some light scratches that are really not that noticeable, but they're there. Folks, this is not a repaint, it is original, and this is what you would expect to see on any government vehicle. Tinted windows from the department, medium shade all around. Vehicle has been completely serviced and it doesn't need any repairs whatsoever, and it is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country. This vehicle being a 2008, it is E85 okay, flex fuel okay for this particular car. Everything works. This vehicle is in excellent running condition. She's strong, she's quiet, and she's very smooth. No holes on the body whatsoever, guys. Great looking car. I'm trying not to move the camera here, but trying to keep it as steady as I can. So I'm walking kind of slow. Okay, guys, I do have a new set of clear lights, clear corner lights. When I first bought the car, those were missing, and that's because this particular type of vehicles do come equipped with the brick type LED, and they I'm guessing the department took those out. So those corner lights are new. Folks, the headlights are also new. Well, they're used good new set that I have here on standby. Hey, how are you? That I had here on standby. The ones that the car came with, they look a little bit oxidated. They were a little bit yellowish, so I don't like that look, and I wanted to clean this up really good. So there you go. Those are Ford. You can see the Ford right there. Okay, they are Ford. New corner lights. Zoom out. The grill looks okay. Folks, just so you know, before I forget, I did shoot the all four rims on the car, so they are nice gloss black underneath the hubcap. So if you wanted to, if you buy this car and you want to go with the dog dishes, the little center chrome caps, just go ahead and remove this those full wheel covers and slap on the chrome caps, and the wheels are already painted gloss black, so it will look very nice. Just throwing that out there. All right, let's go inside real quick here. Locking gas cap. Folks, as you can see, I do have the black interior in this unit. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Perfect interior, actually. Seats, carpeting, matching four matching floor mats. Everything is in here. The car is complete. Door locks. Everything works on the rear, inside the rear door, so doors are fully functional from inside and out of the vehicle. Driver's side seat is comfortable, so is the passenger side. perfect dash, no holes. I do have a new ashtray assembly. Cigarette lighters do work, one on top, one on the bottom. Working cruise control. Vehicle does come equipped with a, clean this up a little bit here, with an aftermarket alarm. This is the antenna. I don't know why they put it there, but there it is, just so you guys know. Alright, let's fire her up real quick here. Oh yeah, before I forget, I do have a factory AM FM CD player here. That's what came with the car. Folks, there she is, 123,000 miles with only 173 idle hours. Responsible for 40 miles driven so far. There will be more miles tacked into the car. 173 idle hours. Only 173 idle hours, folks. For those of you guys that know me, I go to the auction myself and I inspect every and each car that I want to see, and I make sure I pick the best ones out there. Low idle hours pretty much will always catch my eye. Doesn't matter what it is, they always do, and that's pretty much what I try to bring home, because I know that's what you guys are looking for. Ticket light does work. Map lights do work. Cold AC, guys. This vehicle does have a very cold AC. Honk does work. Let me see. Let's go to the trunk real quick. Pop the hood. Folks, I do have a full matching spare tire and wheel, hold down pin inside, floor jack to the right. Trunk is complete. There you go, there you have it. License plate light works. Everything works in the car. 7 minutes, so I need to hurry up. Once again, guys, I did have the all 4 rims repainted, gloss black. They look very nice. Let's get under the hood here. Vehicle has been completely detailed, California vehicle, so there is no rust on it whatsoever. So here we go. A little overlook here. Flex fuel, FFP. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, starting right to left, I do have a brand new, let me clean this up here. I do have a brand, again, there you go, brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced. I do have 8 new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs, fresh engine, oil and filter, 520, full synthetic on this one. Transmission was serviced, fluid and filter. Air conditioner is super cold. I'm guessing that the department had that service. Folks, just so you know, I did notice that the car came with a new battery from that department. What it appears to be a new water pump, new drive belt, new idler tensioner, new master cylinder, complete master cylinder. Brakes all around, they're at 95%, so they're literally new, as if they were replaced right before the car was decommissioned. Also, the car does have a new radiator fan shroud assembly along with a fan module. These are one complete unit, so that's what I've noticed. Am I forgetting anything? Hope not. Here she is. Let's give her one last final look. One last final look, guys, for you guys to see here. Once again, 2008 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor, 123,000 miles with only 173 idle hours. This was a Metro take-home unit. It belonged to one officer, so these are the ones that you guys want to get into. Excellent running conditions. Does have little scratches and some door dings, but those do not affect the drivability of the vehicle. Whoa, on my 10th minute again. All right, guys, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to look at my video. Any questions, comments, please feel free to get a hold of me. Those of you guys that are following me, thank you very much. Have yourself a great evening, great weekend. God bless and take care.